You got the best two deals at the Loves. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make virtual review videos. That's the way to run the platform, by subscribing and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, to start here, we got the ATVs, or the UTVs, $84.99. These are the smaller engines, I believe. That's what they have. If you want a bigger engine, I believe you have to go around $99.99. Alright, so this is on clearance. This is a heater. It's great to have for the cold season. $48.97 down from $109. That's actually pretty good. About 50% off. Got an oil field radiator flat panel electric heater, $59.98. You got a cheaper shredder for $6.99. DK2, 3-inch. That's where you feed it. That's the engine. Nice wheels, and it does. I believe you can pull that with the ATV. $149 for the 40-volt brushless cordless leaf blower string trimmer. That's it right there. That's not bad. Small yard, pretty good. $119 for the 40-volt 14-inch cut brushless cordless string trimmer. So that's pretty good on that. And then $199 for the 615 CFM brushless cordless leaf blower from Eagle. And then you got the 670, which is the more powerful, one of the most powerful, for $249. You got the Cobalt 24-volt max edge trimmer for $119. You got a replacement blade for an edger on clearance. And then you got the Generac 6500 generator. This one's $7.99 down from $8.99. And then you got a Furman 4000 watt dual fuel inverter generator for $6.99. That's actually not a bad deal. However, I would definitely stick with the one from Costco. They do tend to go on sale often. $426 down from $4.99 for that vacuum, or that yeah, it's like a deep cleaner. This was another one for $246 down from $308. You got this ceiling fan, $39, 52-inch. Not bad at all, if you like that style. You got a grill cover. It's a really nice grill cover for $12, down from $49. You got a digital gauge and level, $7.97. Was $19.98. You got a Greenlee spade bit set, $14, down from $29. Never heard about this brand before. Well, I think I've seen it here, but haven't heard. Handheld tool organizer, $20. Believe that shelf is on the wrong section there. 47 piece for $15.98, down from $18. Screwdriver set. This one's a 2-piece paper towel holder for $10, down from $16.98. You got a miter saw stand, down from $71 to $50. I believe on this one you are supposed to have like 2 metal pieces where you can screw on the miter saw. I did not see those 2 metal pieces. I don't know if they have them or not. $16.98 for the groove joint pliers. And then you got this really nice screwdriver set with precision screwdrivers for $19.98. You got the rubber mallets, 2 different types of rubber for $18.98. And you got a 20 ounce for $24. Ratcheting wrench set for $59, down from $99. 20 piece. That's actually a pretty nice set. You got $249, down from $399. It's a 4-tool combo kit. I believe they are the XR tools. $329 for the job site table saw. That's it right there. Alright, you got the buy one get one free. You buy any of the kits on the left, you get a free tool. You get the power stack for $179, or you can get the 2.5s for $249. Definitely a pretty good deal. I would definitely go for the 5s over the power stack. Not unless you already have the power stack, then you can get that. You can choose from the impact wrenches, the oscillating tool, the jigsaw. A bunch of tools you guys could choose from. That is the 2.5s, and that is the power stack combo for $179. You get the cutoff tool. You can choose from that. The impact driver. You get a reciprocating saw, a circular saw, router. The impact wrenches, either 3/8 and 1/2 inch. Alright, so Bosch is running about the same. It's same thing. We'll go over it in a second. $139 for the 2 batteries. So yeah, you do buy any of those tools, you get a free starter kit. That is a 4 amp hour starter kit. So you buy any of the tools, bare tools, and get the free starter kit there at the bottom. That's a pretty good deal. Yeah, I guess with payments, if they finance it for you, then it's not a bad deal. But yeah, $8,400. That's quite a chunk of change there for a toy, unless you need it for work or for your larger property. These are on clearance. The Flex stuff, nobody wants it anymore. You got the Flex $149 for the drill driver kits, or the impact driver and drill driver for $199. It's a pretty good deal. Alright, so $649 for the 4-tool combo kits, or $499 for the 2-tool combo kit with the power stack lithium. Or you could get the 3-tool combo kit for $399 and get a free tool. So these are the deals they got going on. I believe these are not hackable. You guys let me know that in the comment section if you guys are able to hack it. I'll definitely shoot for that vacuum, the fan, the reciprocating saw. That screw gun's pretty nice. The angle grinder, jigsaw, the radio's pretty nice. So all these tools are pretty nice. These are all the combo kits that are listed. A 6-tool combo kit, a 4-tool combo kit, flex stack lithium 4-tool combo kit, and power tool combo kit with soft case. Stack lithium 2-tool combo kit. So there's a whole bunch of combo kits you guys can get. You get a free select tool. This is the impact driver for $99. It's down from $199. It's actually not a bad little kit. Great for the pros and the DIYs. And then this one's the 4-tool combo kit, which is really a 3 because they do include a light. So $349 down from $399, not bad at all. And then this one's $299 or $249 down from $2. Yeah, it's $249. It does include the impact driver and drill driver. You got a 5-inch angle grinder for $159. And then you got a drywall cutout tool for $24, was $99. I'm pretty sure they're bringing new stuff in. A polisher for $127, down from $159. It's Craftsman. 4.5 amp. And then you got a brushless SDS Bulldog 1-inch rotary hammer for $143. Alright, you got the Bulldog for $143, down from $179. That's it right there. Those are solid hammer drills, by the way. Your choice of select 18 volts brushless spare tool, cordless job site radio. Get one 4 amp hour starter kit, 2-pack of 4 amp hour battery pack. So either you can choose from that starter kit or the 2 4. Alright, so $898. It's a Spider 6.5 24-2 saw blade, pack of 2. Not bad. Mega accessory kits, Dremel, $6. I wish this was at my store. I should have grabbed it last time I saw it. 8-piece jigsaw blade set for $9.98. It's actually pretty good. 8 pieces, so just a little bit more than $1 a piece. Power source, $44. This is the DeWalt power source. It is 12 volt or 20 volts. Compatible with both. So that's pretty nice. Something different. $239 for the power hammer drill kits, down from $299. You got the reciprocating saw, $143. This thing's a beast. I'm a double reciprocating saw. You got the angle grinder for $39.98. 4.5-inch grinder. You got a select Metabo 18 volt power tool, get a free 2-pack of tool and battery and charger. So that's pretty good. You got the 20 volt or LED lights, $13. And then you got the Cobalt 24 volt max starter kit, get a free choice of a battery, not a battery, a 24 volt tool. Alright, some clearance items here on the Bosch. You got a starter kit for $47 with the 2 amp hour battery, a jigsaw for $32, sander for $29. So you can make yourself a little kit here for just under $100. That's actually a pretty good deal. A 2 amp hour lithium battery, $39. Alright, so buy one get one free with the DeWalt Extreme 12 volt tools. You got a 2-tool combo kit, a 12 volt Extreme 3/8 brushless drill, and get yourself a choice of select DeWalt 12 volt max extreme free tools. Folding jab saw clearance for $17.97, down from $19. Tough Build's a great brand, but I don't know. I would just definitely get my one-handed reciprocating saw and use that instead of that. Sliding clamp, $2.15. This is a sliding miter saw. And then we got a bigger one here. This is a 12-inch slider for $2.44, down from $3.49. Then you got the little bit smaller one here for $1.46, is $7.25. This one's for really small stuff. Alright, you got these 8 pieces folding hex key set for $6.98, down from $9.98. And then you got a starter set there. Guys, that's it for today. Just a short video. Lots of good deals, especially with those flex. Buy one, get one free. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And you guys have a great weekend. Thank you.